Hey everyone, how's it going? So I have a new project coming up on this channel. So I got this box from Dry Protected, and you can see how huge this box is next to the Model Y Performance. This is a full PPF wrap that we'll be doing for the Model X. So if you're not familiar with Dry Protected, they provide high quality PPF for your Tesla vehicle as well as other non-Tesla vehicle. And PPF is paint protection film to protect your vehicle from people keying your car, rock chips, or even door dings that protects the paint. So you only have to fix the ding, not the paint. So this is the package that we have ordered, and this is PPF for the entire Model X. So as you can see, the kit, you can get clay bar, and it's going to be a brand new vehicle, so we don't have to deal with that. They also sell squeegee bar, bunch of microfiber. Here's the spray bottle for your slip solution, and it's also labeled slip solution. We also have tack solution. So tack solution is basically just rubbing alcohol, and slip solution is soapy baby shampoo water. And this is what you use to move the PPF around. And then this one, the tack, is to anchor it down. And we also have paint and PPF ceramic coating, which Dry Protect also sell, and nano glass coating. So this will beat off any water that gets onto your vehicle. The PPF itself does have hydrophobic material or particles on it already. So it does beat off water, dust, minimize any adhering of the dust when it flies onto your vehicle. This just adds an extra layer of protection from water, so you don't have to clean your car as much. And you can see this whole box here is fully packaged with bubble wrap. This is what you get when you order. And you don't have to order the full car. You can order half the front or the full front, which usually what people pay $2,000 or $2,500 to do. You can do the whole car for 1/3 the price. And this company is a Canadian company. You can see everything is labeled, so you can't mess this up. It's pre-cut. So what that means is that the PPF is like a puzzle. So it's cut to fit each panel. So the door is cut to precision, so you don't have to trim or cut anything off. It does have a signature wrap, and I'll show you this Model Y. We actually wrapped the whole thing ourselves with Dry Protected, and it's holding up really, really well. We actually got key on the driver's door, so check out our other video. We'll link that in the description. And this paint protection film protected. So this is Defense Plus. You can see, or not see, this PPF on this door. And this is my first time wrapping this, no kidding. First time wrapping PPF. All I had to do was watch Dry Protected installation video, or you can watch our videos. We show you how to install it, our experience, and what learnings we got from installing this. And this is my first attempt installing PPF. So you can see the precision of Dry Protected cut around the door trim. Very, very precise. It's laser cut. And you can see this is signature wrap, so it actually wraps around to back here. Let me get this in focus here. So you can see it wraps around. Let me get my finger there. There, it's more in focus. It wraps around the edges. Same thing with the back doors. around the edges. So this is full PPF. You can see it's still shiny. I haven't washed this car in probably 5 months, maybe longer. I used the rain to wash it off last time when Hurricane Hillary hit, which didn't really clean the car that much, but it did get most of the dust off. So that's the thing with these PPF. It has hydrophobic particles in it. And if you add the dry protected ceramic coating, and don't pay somebody to do ceramic coating. I mean, they're charging over $1,000 to ceramic coat a car. I think it's ridiculous. I personally would just do it yourself. Make sure you wear gloves. And if you have an N95, I highly recommend that. So you don't smell or smell in the particles. That's the only two things I highly recommend is doing yourself. PPF, ceramic coating. PPF will save you tons of money, and ceramic coating as well. People pay close to $7,000 to $8,000 to PPF their whole Model X. The Y, the current quote right now with inflation prices is around $6,000 to $7,000 for PPF the whole car. And don't get confused with wrapping the car. Wrapping the car only lasts 1 to 2 years and it fades and it doesn't protect your car. PPF protects your car. It protects your car from fading, and it lasts for 10 plus years. So they do have a 10-year warranty on this. Yes, 10-year warranty. And if you use the code that we post in the description, it will give you additional discount. So this whole kit for the Model X, you can get 1/3 of that price. And you just have to spend 1 weekend. So about 6 to 7 hours in total, I would say, to install this. But 6 to 7 hours to save $3,000 to $4,000, I definitely think it's worth it. And ceramic coating will take you about a couple hours, maybe 1 hour each weekend, depending if your car needs to be washed and rinsed down. But the first ceramic coating will take about a couple hours, and then you reapply about 2 or 3 coating, which takes less than 30 minutes. So about 20 minutes to wash the car and about 10-15 minutes to apply it and then wipe it down. Very easy, very easy. So again, just letting the EV community, Tesla community, don't waste your money unless you really are not a DIY person. Like, anyone can put this on. If you can put on a screen protector, then you can definitely put on PPF. It's the same concept. And then if you wax a car before, ceramic coating is more like a sealant. Like if you recall, wax, then people start doing sealant, and then now it's ceramic coating. So this is actually easier to install than actual waxing your car. Again, link in the description from Dry Protected. We got it on this Model Y, and we'll be installing it in the Model X that is coming soon to the channel. So make sure you subscribe if you're interested in that, and we'll be having a Cybertruck coming to this channel as well. We're not sure which car we're gonna get rid of yet. It might be the Model 3, it might be the Model Y. So if anyone is interested in this Y, we have so much modification to it. Hit us up, email in the about in the description of this channel, or message us on Instagram if you're interested in this Model Y. So just let us know. The price will not be cheaper than a used Model Y because of all the aftermarket parts we have in this car. So just keep that in mind. We probably won't sell it. This might just be one of the vehicle that we'll continue to add mods to. It's very popular until the new, what you call it, Jupiter. Somebody correct me in the comments. I know that refresh is coming out next year. So we might wait for that before we switch this one out. We'll see. Catch you all next time. Remember to subscribe. PPF time coming soon from Drive Protected.